5. Chapter 5, the Army College Fund for the fiscal years of 82 through 85. F51, Authority, Public Law 94-502 establishes the Army College Fund for the fiscal years of 81, and Title 38 U.S. Standard Code, Chapter 32 provides guidelines for this program. As is the result, the assistant test of the Army adopted the Army College Fund. The Army sets up the Army College Fund as follows: an enlistment incentive, means of increasing the test score category 1 through 3, and assessing the critical military operational specialist. Army College Fund is a kicker that supplements the basic of the veteran Educational Affairs Program entitlement. 5.2. The eligible enrollment entitlement. The soldier has no prior service enlistment enlisted in the active Army between October 1st of October 1981 and June 30th, 1985, and the active duty before July 1st, 1985. Had a high school diploma at the time of accession, had an AFTQ score of 50 or above, enlisted in the Special Military Operational Specialist. See Appendix. Enrolled, participated in the Veteran Affairs Program. Enlisted the Army College Fund as part of the enlistment contract. 5.3. The duration eligibility. The Army College Fund is extended for the 10 years from the date of the last discharge or release from the active duty. 5.4. Entitlements. The soldiers include in the Army College Fund by the participation of Veteran Affairs Application Program. The Army College Fund incentive in additional for the 1 matching for the funds available for the Veteran Educational Affairs Program. Maximum Army College Fund for the fiscal year of 84 through 85, 81 through 84 is the follows: is 8,000 2-year enlistment, 12,000 for the enlistment of 3 or more years. FY for the year of 85, the Army College Fund added the new kicker amounts as follows: is 1290, and for the entitlements enlisted the degree of the 1830 for the enlistment of the 40 years, the completing of the requirements, minimum of 12 consecutive months in the Veteran Affairs Program, the participation in portion of the kickers earns an additional environmental subsequent no more than money and is earned one of the maximum is reached. During the 3 to 4 year enlistment, the soldier monthly, the Veterans Educational Affairs publication contribution exceeds 75 maximum personal contributions. 270 will reach less than the 36th in the event of the total kicker authorized to be created by the soldier at 270 for the has been contributed. Still, the Veteran Affairs application account remain active, but the soldier must complete enlistment contracted with 36, which is lesser. 5.5. Forfeiting Army College Fund eligibility. Soldiers forfeiting the Army College Fund eligibility if they have filing obtained or qualified as military operational specialist, which they enlisted. Soldiers contribute the minimum 12 months. Repeat, 12 months for the Veteran Affairs publication remaining. The qualified military operational specialist military minimum of 12 months must be eligible to prorated share of the kicker the fellow to participate in 12 consecutive months of the Veteran Education Program. The complete 24 months of the continuous AD. The change initial MOS military operations special personal entitlement for the reason the normal career progression of the reclassification of the headquarters Department of Army direction. 5.6. Distribution duration monthly benefits. Holders of the Army College Fund are eligible for the total entitlement of the Veteran Education Affairs Program plus the Army College Fund divided in the number of the month. The Veteran Education Affairs Program contribution for 30 months, which is lesser. See the table. 5.2. The maximum duration of the benefits as follows: 36 academic months for the student and participating full-time student, equivalent of 36 full-month academic, and if the student is engaged in a full-time study. The maximum kicker is authorized at 8,000 and 12,000 through 3 or more years. 2 years in associate degree, 1290, and 4 years, $8,300. Earned in 12 months participation, $4,400, $4,080 for 3, $4,800 for 3 or more years, $6,900 for 2 years, and associate's degree, $6,300 for a 4-year. Each subsequent month of participation is 2 years, $300 for 3 years, $500 for 2 years, and associate's degree, 4 years for a $500 and associate's degree. 5.7. Expiration of the benefits. All due and enrollments will explain, and all due entitlements will expire 10 years after the soldier's last discharge, release of active duty. 5.8. Application procedure. Application provided the following: VA Form 22, 1990, Department of Defense 214, and the veteran application applying for the assistance in the United States, sending the application to the Veteran Affairs Resource Office, the state with the educational institution located outside the United States, sending the application to the Veteran Affairs Regional Office, 941 North Capitol Street, Northeast Washington, D.C. 20421. Outside of the United States, attending the American Schools Overseas Installation, submit applications through the School of the Veteran Affairs Resources nearest to the stateside campus will process. The Incentive Program, Chapter 6.